With GAT Shield, you can block unsafe downloads in real time and get alerted the moment one is attempted. And in this guide, we'll show you how. We'll build a rule that blocks exe and MP4 downloads and cancels them before they finish saving. To begin, head to the left side menu in Shield and choose Alerts. From there, select the Rules section and then click New Alert Rule. First, give your rule a name. I'll call mine exe and MP4 blocked. We'll select Download for the type from the drop-down menu. This will trigger the alert whenever a user downloads a file based on the criteria we set. Below that, choose the action that should fire when the rule is triggered. In this case, I'll go with displaying a warning message. You can also close the browser tab, redirect the user, or choose no action at all. For severity, I'll pick High. Low and Unspecified are also available if you'd prefer something quieter. Now head to the Scope section. Here you can choose which users, groups, or org units the rule affects. In this example, I'll set mine to all users. You can also configure rule exclusions to skip specific users, OUs, or websites you don't want this rule to affect. Once that's set, select Continue to move on to configuration. Under Mode, you can trigger the rule by file extension, by file size, or by both together. For this video, I'll go with file extensions. In the field below, I'll add exe and MP4. Enable Cancel Download to automatically stop unsafe downloads. Any locally saved copy of the file will also be removed. Once that's enabled, select Continue. From here, you can choose who should receive the alert when the rule fires. In this example, I'll add myself as the recipient. You can also enable screen and webcam capture to see what the user was doing at the moment of the download. The captures can be emailed, saved, or shared with your alert recipients. Once finished, head to the Summary section to review your settings. If everything looks right, select Submit to create the rule. Your download alert rule will now be active for the users you've selected. If a user attempts to download a file that you've blocked, the download will be cancelled and removed. You can also edit, disable, or delete the rule using these options. That concludes this GAT Shield how-to. Thanks for watching.